Did you know some drones can fly over 400 kilometers per hour? And some are even saving lives by delivering organs for transplant. Welcome to Did You Know by FactBite Daily. So, how are drones changing our world? First, the fastest racing drones can blast past 400 kilometers per hour, which is quicker than many sports cars. But they're not just for fun. Medical drones are now delivering blood and organs, cutting transport times by a massive 90% in some trials. That's a huge deal in an emergency. Underwater drones are getting us incredible up-close footage of great white sharks, way safer than sending a diver down. And Amazon is already testing 30-minute package delivery by drone. Imagine your order arriving just minutes after you click buy. Which fact shocked you the most? Drop a helicopter emoji for speed or a heart for the life-saving drones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.